I have a lot of holiday traditions with family.
Well, I come from a divorced family, so the only holiday tradition is kind of having a Christmas Eve, Christmas morning with my mom, and then, or flip-flopping, and then going to my other parents.
I remember ever since I was a tiny little girl, my grandmother would build this little Christmas village with miniature people, and that's probably my earliest holiday memory too, is just doing that and spending time with her and creating this whole fantasy world.
It's kind of sad, but I think it's what a lot of kids had, and I always had it growing up, It's great because you get 2 Christmases, but it's sad at the same time because you can't quite spend it with everybody.
The night before on Christmas Eve, we all sit around and talk about all the things that we're grateful for the year.
My family and I will often, we watch the Christmas Carol, but not like the Muppet Christmas Carol or anything of that nature, which is awesome. But for some reason, it's kind of morbid, but we watch the George C. Scott Christmas Carol, which is scary in parts, like the Ghost of Christmas Future or something, with the 2 children. It's terrible. My dad popped it in one year and said, "Oh, we're gonna love this," and eventually, because I've seen it, I stopped crying myself to sleep at night. And now it's just become a family tradition with eggnog and, gingerbread.